So, Mr. Doughton, this is Paul. So we got into your, we had your exhaust elbows off because that's the way you get to these screws. So we noticed that this, excuse me, that this outlet is nearly rusted in two. This is where the cooling water comes and mixes with the exhaust gases to go out, and cool exhaust gases to go out through your rubber hose. So this is one side and this was the other side. So we and this is essentially what it should look like. The issue is this one we could end up mixing water in, getting water into your exhaust with this, so and into the engine. So we don't want to do that. We had some spare parts. We had this one and this one. These are both aluminum. They were out on a pallet of spare parts that I had, just used parts. And then we and this one. So this one we could use. Which side does it go? It goes on that side. Here, let's see. Yeah, that one we could reuse. This one, I'm actually afraid to reuse that. I mean, it's not got much life left. So that one could be reused, but I'm going to have to get another one for this side. And I'll let you know what the cost is going to be. But I could put these back on, but recognize that it will cause you an issue in the not too distant future. So anyway, I just wanted to inform you, and I'll get you a price just as soon as I can get that determined. Thank you.